Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about extracting square roots. So I have here the quadratic equation. So ax squared minus c is equals to 0. So how to determine that your equation is a quadratic? There is a symbol of equality and then there is 0. So I have here to resolve this one. Ax squared transpose this negative c to the right, that will be 0 plus c, and then divide both sides by the coefficient of x squared. So I have here a divided by a, so cross out a, and then I come up with x squared equals square root, a positive and negative square root of c over a. So therefore I have two roots for this kind of quadratic equation. So x sub 1 is equals to positive square root of c over a, and then the second root is equal to negative square root of c over a. Now let's go to an application for this. Number 1, x squared minus 64 is equal to 0. So again, I need to transpose negative 64 to the right. This will be 0 plus 64. So x squared is equal to 0 plus 64 is 64. Then find the roots. So this will be plus and minus square root of 64. And we know that square root of 64 is 8. So I have here positive and negative 8. So therefore, my x sub 1 will be positive 8, and then x2 will be equal to negative 8. Now let's check. Checking. So go back to the given equation, quadratic equation. So I have here x squared minus 64 is equal to 0. So when x is equal to positive 8, so this will be 8 squared minus 64 is equal to 0. 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. So this will be 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, my first root is correct. Now let's use the negative root. So negative 8. I need to substitute negative 8. Then squared minus 64 is equal to 0. So negative squared is positive. So this will be 64 minus 64 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So meaning my two roots are correct. Now let's proceed to number 2. Okay, number 2. So round brackets, I have 2x minus 5 squared is equal to 49. So I need to extract the root. So this will be 2x minus 5 is equal to plus and minus square root of 49. So take note, if it's squared, so this will be transposed to square root. So 2x minus 5 is equal to, what is square root of 49? That will be 7. So I have here positive and negative 7. So if I will use negative positive 7, so this will be 2x minus 5 is equals to 7. So transpose negative 5 to the right, this will be 2x is equal to 7 plus 5. Then this will be 2x. This is 12. So divide by 2 both sides. So 2x divided by 2 is equals to 12 divided by 2. So cross out, x will be equal to 6. So my first root will be 6. How about negative? So 2x minus 5 is equal to negative 7. Take note, when x equals negative 7. So 2x is equal to negative 7. Negative 5 transpose to the right, this will be plus. So 2x is equal to negative 2. And then divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to, or x2 will be equal to negative 1. So therefore, my roots are negative 6. So x1 is positive 6, and then x2 will be negative 1. Now let us check this one by substituting the value x1 equals 6 and x2 is negative 1. If or when when x equals positive 6, round bracket, so I have 2, then this will be, the value is 6 squared minus 5 close is equals to 49. This is squared outside. So this will be, so why is it squared? So this is not squared. So this will be 12 minus 5 squared equals 49. So 12 minus 5 is 7 is equals to 49. So 7 squared is 49 and this will be equal to 49. So meaning this is correct. So my x1 x equals 6 is correct. Now let us substitute the second root, which is further checking when x equals negative 3. So this will be square brackets. This will be 2 times negative 1 minus 5 squared. This is equal to 49. So multiply this one. Negative 2 plus 5. This will be squared. Sorry, this is minus. This is minus. Is equal to 49. So negative 2, negative 5. This will be negative 7 squared. Take note, like sign, so you have to add the integer. So negative 2 plus 5 is 7, and then take the common sign, is equal to 49. So negative 7 squared is 49, is equal to 49. So this one is correct. Now let's move to number 3. Number 3, so 3 round brackets, 2x plus 7 is squared is equal to 27. Okay, take note, this is divisible by 3. So I need to divide this one by 3 to make it shorter. So I have here 2x plus 7 squared is equal to 27 divided by 3 is 9. And then extract this one, the square root. So this will be 2x plus 7 equals plus and minus square root of 9. So this will be 2x plus 7 is equals to plus and minus 3. So when x equals positive 3, so this will be 2x plus 7 is equals to 3. And then 2x is equal to 3. Transpose 7 to the right, this will be minus 7. So this will be 2x is equal to 3 minus 7. That is unlike sign, so subtraction. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then take note, 7 is having negative sign. Then 7 is greater than 3. So it should be negative. So divide both sides by 2. So x equals negative 2. So x1 is equal to negative 2. Now when x equals, if x equals negative 3, so 2x plus 7 is equal to negative 3. So 2x is equal to negative 3. 7 transpose to the right. This will be minus 7. So 2x is equal to, like sign, so add the integers. So this will be 7 plus 3 is 10. And then common sign is negative. Then divide 2 both sides. X is equal to negative 5. So my second root is equal to negative 5. Now let us check this one by using the equation, the given equation. So the given equation is 3, 2x plus 7 squared is equals to 27. When x1 is equal to negative 2. So this will be 3 square brackets, 2 times negative 2 plus 7 square is equal to 27. So this will be 3 square brackets. This will be negative 4 plus 7 squared is equals to 27. So 3 negative 4 plus 7, this will be 3 squared is equals to 27. So 3, what is 3 squared? That is 9 is equals to 27. So multiply, 27 is equal to 27. So this one is correct. Now let's go to the second root. The second root is negative 5. Okay, 3 square brackets, 2 times negative 5 plus 7 squared is equal to 27. So 3 simplifies inside the square bracket. So this will be negative 10 plus 7 squared is equals to 27. So this will be 3. Negative 10 plus 7, this will be negative 3. Then squared is equal to 27. So 3, this will be 9 is equals to 27. Then multiply, this will be 27 is equals to 27. So therefore, my x2 or the second root is correct. That's all.